Hello guys, welcome guys. So today we'll be doing something really interesting. We'll be talking about spot trading. This is Money on Crypto, where we teach you how to make money leveraging on top class knowledge and information. We'll be talking about what is spot trading, what does spot trading entail, what is the spot trading market, how do you deal with the spot trading market, what is crypto exchange, and what is over-the-counter trading. We'll be talking about different types of exchanges. We'll be talking about the centralized exchange and decentralized exchange, and I'll be taking you on a step-by-step guide on how you could actually play in the spot market using any of the crypto platform, but especially Binance. So I will be showing you a whole lot of things, and lastly I will show you the disadvantages and the advantages of participating in the spot market. Now if you don't know it, you might just have been playing in the spot market, because the spot market cuts across different asset classes. You have bonds, you have stock, and a whole lot of other things that comes with the crypto spot market, or spot market generally. So your first experience with investing could literally be playing in the spot market. Yes, it could actually be have been playing in the spot market in your first process of investing. So your first encounter with investing, definitely your spot trading. So spot trading entails you trading on the spot with the current market value. Now it's really exciting because there are a whole lot of benefits that comes with trading with the current market value, unlike some other types of market or type of trading you might want to invest in. The spot trading market could also be called the cash market. Now why is it called the cash market? Because you pay up front for every asset you purchase. You can imagine that. It's great, right? Yeah, it's great. So in the spot market, traders profit by purchasing an asset at a particular, let's say, particular cost or amount, and hope that it appreciates in value over time. Now that's how it works. So basically, let's say they want to purchase a stock or a bond at whatever amount, let's say $10, and hope that it increases in value till it gets to like $15, and they sell and make profit for their purchase. So that's how the spot market works basically. The question comes to your mind is, how do you engage in space? It is something that gladdens my heart to teach you. Yeah. So basically, how do you engage in the spot market? First of all, there are two major ways to play in the spot market. You could either do it through exchanges, or you can do it via over-the-counter trading. Now, exchanges are basically an institution or an organization that serves as an intermediary between the buyer, which is you, or maybe the seller, which could also be you. On the other hand, over-the-counter trading eliminates the presence of a third party. So there is no need for someone to come in and help you regulate what you're going to do, and very importantly, there is no need for an order book. Basically, an order book is a list of books that contains orders placed by people buying and people selling, and the algorithm or the platform tries to match up the buy orders with the sell orders. So that's how basically spot market works. Still talking about exchanges, I've been able to tell you that exchanges are basically platforms, be it on the stock market or basically any platform that enables you hold your currency. They could be a custodian of your currency. They help you secure your assets. They help you execute transactions. Let's say they help you buy and they help you sell. So that's basically what exchanges are. Now, there are two major types of exchanges, which are centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. So it's very important that you understand the differences between both exchanges. So I'll be talking about centralized exchanges and the benefit that comes with having working in a centralized exchange. A centralized exchange serves as an intermediate, but this one thing makes them stand out. You have to give them a lot of your information. And there's a phrase that says, if it's not your phrase, it's not your asset. Yeah, that might be part of the risk that comes with working the centralized exchange. In the advent of a crash, definitely you might just lose your currency, yeah, your assets. So, but a centralized exchange limits your privacy, and those are one of the properties of a centralized exchange. You don't have a lot of privacy for yourself, and you tend to give out a lot of your information for verification. But one of the benefits includes, if in an advent of loss of property, of assets, or let's say your device or your phrase gets missing, you could actually reach out to them and they help you restore your assets. So those are one of the benefits, and one of the best and the largest exchanges you can find out there is Binance. So if you've not registered on Binance, just check the link in the description section, and do yourself a favor and register. And guess what? You get 10% bonus on every transaction. Centralized exchange basically matches buy and sell order by smart contracts. Now, smart contracts actually runs on the blockchain. So what is smart contracts is a combination of codes or algorithms that gets an order by a seller and matches it with that of a buyer. An example is the Binance DEX, which is the Binance Decentralized Exchange, and we have PancakeSwap, we have Uniswap, and a whole lot of other decentralized platforms. And again, for a decentralized exchange, there's literally no need to create an account, which implies you have your assets, you have security is bestowed on you. So it's more like it's now your asset, it's now your phrase. So you have a higher level of security. So in a situation where you're looking for a massive level of privacy, DX is the best for you. Anyways, if you never participate on the spot trading market on Binance, you need not to worry. But first of all, you have to click the link in the description box, that if you've not registered for Binance, so you can enjoy all the benefits that clicking that link provides. So quickly, let me give you a step-by-step guide on how you can easily and very easily trade in the spot market, especially on Binance. You've already done this and you're already on the exchange, you've done a lot of things for yourself, you've registered. In case you're yet to register, there's a link, there is a video popping up right now that will direct you on how to register your account using the link in the description box. So just do that quickly. So there are a lot of things here that you can find on Binance. This is the Binance market. You can trade. Okay, yeah, you have converts, you have spot, you have margin, you have P2P, you have strategy trading, you have swap farm, you have token. So we're talking about spot trading. Now, before you can do spot trading, you must have been able to convert your fiat to USDT. So whatever fiat currency you have, let's say you have euro, you have dollar, you must be able to convert it to USDT. So more on P2P. If you want to learn more about P2P, you could click on the video popping up right now on your screen, and trust me, you will get the best well-detailed information on how to perform P2P regardless of whichever country you find yourself. So let's go ahead and click on spot trading so I can show you basic things you need to learn about spot trading in such a very short time. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Now on my screen, this is the spot trading interface for Binance. This is the spot trading. Doesn't it look beautiful? I know it does. So what's on my right? We are trading BTC over USDT. So USDT is basically the stable asset which you use in buying Bitcoin. And like I said, you can obtain it using P2P by converting your local currency, which is your fiat, to USDT. And that's a very easy one. So there are so many things that this interface offers you. It offers you what we call the order book, and the order book, which is on your left hand corner. Tells you about the number of persons that are placing order. Like I said, the platform basically matches orders of people who are buying with those who are selling. So on my right hand, you find people that are buying here, different prices, trying to pull the market down or pull the market upwards in their favor. So it works with the law of demand and supply. The higher the supply, the higher the supply, the lower the price, and the higher the demand, the higher the price. So that's basically how it works. Now, this interface also provides you with charts so that you can perform your technical analysis. There are a whole lot of charts and there are a whole lot of indicators that you could check in and turn on, and trust me, a lot will be happening. So let's look at that. That's technical indicators. So we have a lot of technical indicators. You can take on the BOL, that's the Bollinger Band, and moving average, MA. I remember I talked about this earlier, and the monthly moving average, a lot of things. Average, you could put all these things, and okay, I think we just click on Bollinger Band and let's see what. Okay, you can see that. So there is a switch. It automatically changes, and there is this band around the candlesticks. So that's one of the benefits that this spot trading can offer you. The indicators help you to know when to buy and when to sell, and it's always a beautiful experience. So on my right side, you have the market and trades that are being performed at the moment. Now on this side, you have other currencies that you can exchange with Bitcoin. So assuming you've been able to convert your USDT by purchasing Bitcoin, yes, you've been able to convert your euro to USDT, then down to BTC quickly. You can now purchase any of these assets because they are paired against Bitcoin. So that's what the interface provides you. Now, how do you buy and how do you basically participate in the spot market? Now, beautiful. I believe by now you must have purchased a certain amount of BTC that should be popping out here. For me, I have 0.00 because I have not purchased any amount of BTC. So, but for you, I believe you must have gotten your USDT. So what do? How many pieces of USDT do I intend to buy? Or better still, you could just go ahead and type in the quantity of USDT. So let's say I have 70 USD, 78 USD. I'll be able to buy 0.00258 pieces of BTC. Is that in pieces? Okay, 0.000258 BTC. So I'll be able to buy that, and I just go ahead and click on buy. And guess what? You do not have enough balance. You can imagine. So for the purpose of this video, I don't have enough balance to go ahead and with this transaction. But I believe you must be ready to purchase, and there is no better time to buy BTC other than now that we are in a bull market. You're buying BTC at a discounted rate. Maybe by when you be watching this video, maybe we might just be at 100k BTC. Yeah, that sounds exciting, but now that's why spot trading is beautiful. Okay, so if I want, assuming I've made profit, and BTC is no longer at 30,000 naira, it has gone to let's say 100, yes, $100,000. Okay, correct. And I still was able to keep my 0. 0.00258 BTC. So what do I have? I'll be making a whopping $258.56. Remember, I invested 77 and now I have 78. So this is how profit is being made on the spot market. We traders buy and hope that the currency moves upwards in a positive direction, and they sell when the asset is high. So that's basically how the market works. So that's a great. So you can just go ahead and click on sell, and what's it going to say? Your balance is not enough again. So that's how it works. And I believe anyone out there, any of my viewers, can go ahead and purchase as many Bitcoin as possible. I would love you to invest now that the market is down. It's currently looking like we are in a bearish market, but trust me, after a bearish market, there is always that bullish market, and the cycle always continues like that. So purchase now, buy the dip, keep buying the dip, and the more dip you buy, the more the opportunities you have to make more money in the future. But take this as a personal advice. Do your own research before you invest in any asset. There are several assets that you can invest in, so go ahead and do your own research.